How to fix setting suggestions keeps stopping problem. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the problem where your setting suggestions keep dropping. Follow along step by step to solve it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your Settings app on your phone. Then scroll down and tap Apps, then select Manage Apps. Next, tap the three dots in the top corner and select Other Setting. Then tap Reset App Preferences. Confirm by tapping Reset Apps. This will reset all your app preferences without deleting any personal data. Now go back then, tap the three dots again and choose Show All Apps. Use the search bar to type Settings and select it from the results. Tap Storage and Cache, then from here choose Clear All Data, then Confirm. Finally, restart your phone. Once it powers back on, your settings suggestion should start working properly again. And that's it. Following these steps should fix the issue and keep your suggestions from dropping. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.